Oh, there he goes. Whoa! Beauty. Look right here. Come to the side. Look. That's a big fish, guys. Wow. Look at the size of that. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Jesus.
That is wild.
He's like checking us out.
Yeah, look at that. Oh man. I wish I had the underwater one. Great.
Damn.
When we get by, I'm gonna grab my underwater camera.
Holy crap. That other one's not too far off the back.
Dan, open this up. Get my underwater one. We'll get some awesome footage. Oh, there he goes. Whoa! Wow, that was wild. Take us out of gear. Yep. Look at him, he's gonna go right here. There's a red.
There we go.
He's pretty small, but we'll put him in the box, I guess. We don't get anything else in the box. Haddock on the jig.
Haddock on the jig.
A little one. Keeper. There's a fish. Wow. Here we go. Ah!
Nailed that.
Woo. We'll take him. Too bad we can't take that home. Oh, that's a nice market fish right there. A good eater. There's a redfish. Look at that. A nice one.
Yep.
Nice redfish. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. This is a good fish. Real good fish. Big cod. Big, nice, golden colored cod. Hey, look at the color of this one, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that nice? What a beauty. Pollock. No, neither one of them is big. Just kidding. Home back. Oh. That's haddock. Nice. Nice cod. Nice cod.
That's nice.
Haddock and a sculpin. What do you got? Oh, nice cod. Nice. And And that's our limit. And that's our limit.